Hi, it's Paul again. It is February 12th. Almost half the month gone already. This is incredible. Let's take a look at what's going on in the Las Vegas market today. Like new listings, 456. Let's get these things straightened out a little bit. Okay, it looks like out of the area, 810. Won't worry about that one. It's a two-story condo, 1,000 square feet for 140. Looks like a nice little complex, clean unit. Huh, yeah, pretty impressed with the carpet. Nice common ground, pool, community center, workout room, pretty nice. Okay, lots of good parking and no garage. Okay, so that's 140,000 came on the market today, it looks like. Wow, a lot of activity today. Okay, we have this one over on French Daisy, 674.9. Pool, spa, almost 2,900 square feet. No pictures. And it is over on Hualapine Desert Inn. Okay. There we go. Then yesterday on Jeffries, I think we probably looked at this one. Nice pool. I think so. Oh, coin operated. Interesting. A little cash flow. Okay, and that is over on Jeffries, 72,888. One bedroom, one bath. Eastern and Tropicana. Right in the middle of paradise there. Alright. Let's see. Go down here a bit. Lots of stuff going on. Okay, here we go. 3.8 million. That's nice. Edgeless pool, beautiful strip view in the back. That's what 3.8 million will buy you. Oh, this is brand new. Okay. The way that thing is set up. Interesting. Those fingernails, man, claws. Dragon Rage, okay. Yep. Been there. To be built. Won't be ready until 2020, next year. Okay. The lot is 1,150,000 and the finished product is 3.8 million, 6,500 square feet on a half an acre. Wow, interesting. Huh. Looks like they're trying to flip it before it's built. Okay, well, that's fine. So we have under contract 420. That's better than yesterday. We got 191 that have sold recently. And let's see, let's get our pricing straightened out here. Close date. Okay, it looks like the lowest priced one, this one closed yesterday probably, reported today 111,000 for 700 square foot townhome, and 385 for a 3 bedroom 3 bath single family. Okay, 2-story. Pretty nice inside. No pool, no spa. And then yesterday, 71,000. Oh, I think we looked at that one. We looked at something on Vegas Valley. And because we were looking at that, that's over by the Strip. Okay, 1.29, almost 1.3. Nice pool area. It's a nice house. A little dated, but nice. That sold for 1.299. And it is over. Desert Foothills. Oh, okay, off the 160. We're at the edge of town. Oh, actually the 159, that's Blue Diamond Road going out to Blue Diamond and Red Rock. Okay. Got it. Alright, looking good. Well, that's it for today. 6 minutes and 42 seconds. How about that? And I don't see anything else that's really important today. So you have a great day and talk to you tomorrow.